Well, it's been a few weeks since my last video on installing the weight distribution hitch on my trailer. I'm here to do an update and give you my honest review. I'm not sponsored, so let's go look. We're out camping this weekend. I thought it'd be a good opportunity to give an update after actually towing with the hitch. I've now used it for a few trips and I have a much better idea of how it performs. So overall, I'm pretty happy with how it's towing. I would buy it again without hesitation. The biggest difference is the truck and trailer feel a bit more connected. It's a bit more tight, less steering and movement from the trailer. And the highway just feels more relaxed, so it just feels like you're towing a smaller trailer. The truck sits more level. As you can see, it's a little bit higher right now because I have my airbags full, but when it's filled up, it's no longer sagging like it was previously. Even with my factory airbags and my aftermarket airbags. So the weight distribution hitch was exactly what I needed to just balance it out, especially with my load inside with all the camping gear and bikes, etc. My one comment is hooking it up does take a bit longer. I found with this setup, it's not quite as easy as some of the other hitches I've used. The bar seems a bit more thin than some of the other ones that are more round tubing and just thicker metal. My setup, it's hard to hook up when I have my trailer parked on the driveway, just because my driveway's slanted at quite an angle. So what I'm gonna do for my next trip is just pull it out with a normal hitch onto my street and then hook this up. And that way it'll take me way less time when I'm hooking it up, because the trailer will be level with the truck, and therefore I won't have to lift so hard when I'm putting that hitch onto the rail. So overall, was it worth it? For me, absolutely. I really needed a little boost so it wouldn't put as much pressure on my existing air ride suspension. So I absolutely needed it. Even with the airbags, it was just a little short, so that airbag system would just be trying to pump it up to where it needs to go. So if you're wondering whether you need one, again, a lot of people go by the sag on your vehicle, but really you got to look at a few things. My rule of thumb is anything over 5,000 pounds or a tongue weight of about 500 is when I seriously start thinking about a weight distribution hitch. I'm glad I went with this hitch. I'll keep updating if anything changes after more miles. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and we'll catch you on the next one.